We're gonna have our knees up. We're gonna have our feet pretty close to our backside if you need to. You can even pull them in like so. We're gonna have our core tight. We're gonna have our shoulder blades elevated. And we're just gonna reach down and grab our ankle. And we're gonna go to the next side. So we're just pivoting back and forth, like so. So this is gonna be our easiest exercise. So if you're just starting out, start with this one. Or if you're fatigued and you're tired from doing other things, do this ab exercise rather than this. Again, we're keeping our shoulder blades off the ground, our core is tight, and we're coming over, touching our ankle, reaching down, and then pivoting and grabbing the other side. Do this anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds.